2, 3, 4. पूछो ना क्या ये सवाल है, सोचो क्यों ये दिल बेहाल है.
Hi guys, welcome. It is the Writers Music Festival 2026. Officially, the season is on, and I cannot wait to introduce to you one of the first artists I'm going to be interviewing today for the Writers Music Festival. We are starting out with someone who's just had this very unique sense of sound and the kind of music. And अभी जो मैं बात कर रही थी off the camera, I dare say, अगर मैं ये बोलूँ कि ऐसे आर्टिस्ट जो रियल लाइफ में एक्सेप्ट करते हैं कि एक ओरिजिनल ओजी आर्टिस्ट लेजी होता है, मुझे बहुत पसंद आते हैं बिकॉज आई गेट इट. यू आर सो कॉन्फिडेंट एंड यू आर सो ट्रू टू योर ओन आर्ट दैट यू नो यू विल नॉट गेट पुश्ड बाय एनीबडी. Let's have Manish Gunte and the band Level 6. Welcome to RMF lineup. I believe this is the first time we are having you on the RMF stage, Manish.
Yes, and we are excited about it क्योंकि RMF के बारे में I had been hearing and didn't have the opportunity to watch it live.
Oh, nice.
But सुना तो है definitely, and it's back after a couple of years of COVID, I think.
Yeah,
right?
we came last year, you know,
Yes.
post-COVID, and it was magnificent, and now we are
So
at it.
we are excited to be sort of back.
You know, Manish, it is so amazing to hear this from an artist that जो एक music festival देखा है, सुना है, उसमें perform करना होता है.
Yes,
What does it mean as an artist to be doing this and getting the stage to do
You know,
this?
the thing is that it's an opportunity, and it's a platform that you always thought कि किसी दिन काश इस पे प्ले करें, बट जब आता है मौका तो यू फील एक्साइटेड एंड वी आर एक्साइटेड. अनफॉर्चुनेटली द एंटायर बैंड इज़ नॉट हियर, बट जब मैंने उनको बताया कि हमें RMF से कॉल आया है, वी ऑल जंप टू इट. आई सेड ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव टू डू दिस.
I mean, it's one of the biggest music festivals
Yes,
in Delhi NCR,
yes,
and getting
absolutely.
a very unique concept of music and bikes and everything
Yep,
together.
yep.
And also, it's a stage where we introduce so many new artists to the country and to the world, you know,
Yeah.
so to say. And then they go on to just like some of them are all the OGs, some of them come, they're in the process like you guys, you know, who already have so much of love, and you come with your own very niche set of audience, you know.
And it is something that we are always looking forward to, because when you watch artists on festivals like this, you feel that, you know, we want to be also in that space where people listen to our music, get to see us, and it's an opportunity that we are going to be grasping with both hands.
So let me just start by asking, for someone who's discovering Manish Gunte and the band Level 6 for the first time, how would you introduce yourself? How would you guys introduce yourself?
We are old and new. Old because, as you can see, we are old with gray hair. But our music is actually a very healthy mix of retro and contemporary. So whether there's Kishore Kumar and R.D. Burman on one side, there's Arijit Singh, Shankar Ehsaan on the other side, and in English we'll play Beatles, Elvis, and then it's Coldplay, Ed Sheeran, Dua Lipa, because you know, you want to cater to everybody in the audience, everybody. So there's something for each one of the member in the audience.
And what's the vibe of the music or the band? You want to put yourself in a genre? You want to define? Because आजकल labels ही labels है, खत्म ही नहीं हो पा रहे हैं
तो
मतलब.
हम लोग के पास कोई लेबल नहीं है. हम लोग सिर्फ म्यूजिक बजाते हैं, एंड आई थिंक वी aspire to spread happiness through music, because the real pleasure is when you see the audience vibing with you, being happy. That is the biggest joy. You know, anything else that, like whether it's money, fame, ये सब उसके spin-offs हैं, byproducts हैं. Yeah.
Agreed. Music often comes from personal moments and stories, right? That has always been the way music has traveled or happened to someone. So वो कौन सा moment था when you guys realized कि यार ये तो अब करना पड़ेगा सबको इकट्ठे होके?
So this is a story that I've always had in my head. I was in the corporate world till about 2008. I left my job and I wanted to become a full-time musician. And
Actually, you were doing this before it became a thing on people sharing this on Instagram. You know that COVID के बाद मुझे लगा कि मुझे 9 to 5 जॉब नहीं करनी चाहिए.
हाँ,
और
कोविड तो
मुझे
2020 में है, मैंने
हाँ, तो
2008 में किया हुआ
That's what
है.
I'm saying. You did it before. It
Yes.
became the thing to do on Insta.
Yes, now everybody's sharing that story. Uh, every party of office that I was called for, एक छोटी सी एक लाइन आती थी, गिटार ले आना यार. So I used to sing at office parties, and I used to wonder, यही करने के अगर मुझे कोई पैसे दे दे तो मैं तो नौकरी छोड़ दूंगा. And slowly I started to build on that aspect. So that moment that you asked, when did that happen? In one of such parties, I was thinking that why can't I try to do this? People, if they are liking what I'm doing, it's just a matter of somebody adding a little commercial value to it. And I started small. I was doing house parties and I was getting good response. And I said, let me try this. I quit my job. एक साल का time लिया था मैंने अपनी wife से कि permission तो लेनी पड़ेगी.
And of course, you're not alone, and
Yes.
but that's a story, you know.
Yeah.
That's a way you're making a path for a
Yes.
lot of other people
Yeah.
to understand how to do this.
And it is not.
क्योंकि फिल्मों में देखना बहुत आसान लगता है, 1-2 घंटे की फिल्म में किसी ने बताया, उसने ऐसे छोड़ा, वो सक्सेसफुल हो गया,
हाँ,
वाओ.
correct,
But
correct.
असल life doesn't work like
it doesn't.
that.
And in fact, for the first 2-3 months, मुझे लगा था कि काम आ जाएगा, but आया नहीं. So now, you have, the reality is that there are EMIs to be paid, there is food on the table to be put. So it was a little bit disheartening, but since I'd kept 1 year for myself to crack it, oh, thankfully, God is kind, and then it's been what, 16-17 years now. We're doing well, touch wood. Thank you. Polite applause.
That's because it takes a lot of courage and a lot of commitment and consistency and perseverance to walk that.
100%.
Because you can give it up. The giving up part is too easy,
Yeah.
to go back to you knowing what you do well
Yes.
and then going back and getting that money at the end of the day.
Yeah.
महीने के end में कोई dedicated paycheck आते हुए बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि ये है, और अगर discomfort हो रहा है तो इंसान जल्दी से वापस उस comfort में जाना चाहता है.
आए थे moments ऐसे मेरे life में. I did
Just-
think about it.
Just coming back to there,
Yeah.
what has been the toughest moment as a band coming together and sticking through and doing this and not disbanding and letting go of the dream?
Lack of work. I think that's the toughest sort of phase that any artist will go through. When you're sitting around, people are not calling you, there's not enough work, you don't know what's next. Even, the next month is unsure. So yes, it can be disheartening, but I think wo eventually, as a band and as people, you have to just sort of stay positive. हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा, and वो हो जाता है.
हो जाता है. Was there a moment or a mentor who sort of like changed the way you look at the craft, or you made you evolve?
So there have been so many experiences that one has had over the years, watching people, being close to them, and even watching concerts, and your own sort of journey. That there are times when you realize what you're doing is not just to also satisfy your own creative satisfaction, but also to spread uh, a little bit of joy in someone else's life, right? So when people call you, it is a responsibility that they have given you to keep their vibe going. So I think when I started looking at it from a perspective that it's just not fun and games, it is a responsibility. Your entire delivery changes. Then you are also not putting pressure on yourself, but you are trying to be true to what they are expecting. And that helped a lot because you start to, small things, your set list starts to change. From songs that you love, you have to start playing songs they love because that's what they want to hear.
Oh wow, that's such a great admission, I think, for an artist. Because now I understand when I speak to so many artists, and when we say कि यार ये वाला, and then they say यार ये वाला मत गवाओ यार, I don't like this one, out of my entire set list, but then the audience yells in the crowd, like play that
And you
song.
have to because they have come to listen to you and enjoy. So I don't want to dish out. So there are times when we wonder, we should, let's say if you're playing an event, a private event, social event, should we play originals? I said, नहीं यार, किसी ने सुना नहीं होगा उनको क्यों? 2 घंटे हैं हमारे पास. Give them what they want. So we just made a set list which cuts across every genre, every era, every age group, and therefore I think we are receiving the love that we are.
So a lot of bands and artists, and especially a lot of successful bands also, they started out doing covers and mashups, and it really is the thing.
Yeah.
It always has been the coolest thing, but
Yes.
now it's become more mainstream.
It is.
Initially it used to be very one-off. एक गाना आएगा साल के end में mashup आ जाएगा कुछ 2-3 का, and that's it. But now today people are actually jamming and making it work like that. And it helps that we've got international artists collaborating also. Dua Lipa coming out on a stage and performing the mashup of Levitating and doing हाँ यहाँ कदम कदम पे.
करा था
That
अभी.
speaks huge
Yeah, it
volumes,
is,
right?
it is.
From a global pop artist to acknowledge these mashups.
Yeah.
And a lot of bands have made their successful careers. How do you maintain the fine balance, or maybe the craving and the want to put out your own original versus doing the covers and mashups as an artist?
So very clearly we play covers and mashups, create mashups for the social functions and social events. Originals are played, let's say if you're playing a pub event or let's say at RMF, we might just throw in a couple of originals because that's the stage where people are okay to listen to anything that you're presenting. So we do have some originals lined up for RMF, but uh, we are a band that thinks like a DJ. So we are creating mashups all the time. In fact, Ashwini here, while he's on the drums, he's constantly thinking of mashups. So there are times when Vinayak, who's on vocals in our band, the second vocals, when he's singing, he'll yell out to me. I said, Manish, can you sing this song into that song? And I'm thinking, हाँ जा तो रहा है यार.
And on the spot,
On
you
the
say,
on
oh,
stage, this happens
wow.
on stage. We have created so many mashups on stage while the show is on. People don't even realize
Oh
that
my
this is
God, people,
unrehearsed.
this is your cue to get the songs and yell from the crowd. If you can make him listen to the two songs, I think हो जाएगा वो
होना
वाकई.
हाँ हो जाना
Oh
चाहिए
my God.
हो जाना चाहिए it's fun and it's also a challenge in some sense because you see can you make them happen.
Can you make it happen?
Yeah.
Yeah. And the spontaneity of it,
Yeah.
the adrenaline rush of it, I think it's a high.
it,
in
it,
its own.
it is a fun factor because then suddenly you realize that yes you can mash up these two songs which you never thought can be possible.
No, I believe the stage becomes its own animal when you enter, you
Yeah.
know, and let's open a possibility जो off stage कभी नहीं आती है,
नहीं
in
आती
the room नहीं आ सकती, वो
नहीं
stage
आती.
पे होती है उसी time
स्टेज
पे.
की एनर्जी अलग होती है.
Agreed. So RMF का stage जो है बहुत unique stage है. It gets music, the riders, the passion for music, and you know the whole thing together. It ties it beautifully when we talk about Riders Music Festival. I want to know, have you ever had a road travel or a riding experience that inspired your music? Because travel and music are two inseparable.
So we travel a lot and by road a little more than that we would like to, but every time that we've gone on road trips to it is that time when you can actually ideate. There are so many ideas that come to us because every road trip gives you a different perspective. Sometimes it will be a fantastic drive, or sometimes it will be just not moving. You're just stuck in a jam. So you have different moods, that you have to go
true
through.
that, yeah.
So riding has been. I mean, I'm not a bike rider per se, but road travel has definitely inspired us to a lot of music. Again, as I told you in off this interview that we are lazy bunch. So गाने बहुत लिखे हुए बने हुए on paper, on phone, सब पड़ा हुआ है. But we've never had um, the urgency, so to speak, to put it on
out
tape. Yeah,
on tape.
Yeah.
Okay, but all in time, I think.
Yes, of course, of
I
course,
think
of
it's
course.
going to be a. People are into EPs. Maybe we'll do a LP.
Yeah.
You know, you never know.
You
I
never
mean,
know. You
how
never know.
which way the wind takes you. Now talking about audiences, because you said you shared something very cool right now. You know, which got me excited. कि on the stage, you know, that time, no matter whatever is happening, जो भी set list लेकर आप लोग आओगे उतरोगे on the RMS stage, something might change and you might
Yes.
just do
Yes.
on the spot what you feel like,
Yeah.
right? So what is something exclusive or special the audience who's going to be coming at RMF expect from Level 6 band?
So a lot of mashups. Just to give you a flavor, a Michael Jackson song can go into an Pappi Lahiri song. Now, imagine how that can happen, and it happens so seamlessly. You will be surprised, and you'll have to come to RMF to experience that. There's no preview here.
Oh, and of course, I'm not going to do that also. But one thing I'm going to do, ask you for is maybe one of the originals. We could just
Of
hear
course.
For you to.
So this
strum something
this song
because-
that I'm about to sing is actually written by Ashwini. He's a man with multiple talents and hats. During COVID, when we had nothing else to do, sitting at home, he penned down these words, and then I said, "Acha, so let me try and put a little tune on it." And this is what came about. 1, 2, 3, 4. पूछो ना क्या ये सवाल है, सोचो क्यों ये दिल बेहाल है, जान कर भी सब कुछ अनजान ना बनो तुम्हारी इस हंसी का क्या राज है। सच्ची तो है ये बातें, तेरी मेरी मुलाकातें, प्यार है ये सच्ची तो है हो। सच्ची तो है ये बातें, तेरी मेरी मुलाकातें, प्यार है ये सच्ची तो है। सच्ची तो है।
क्या ये सच है? ये वन ऑफ द ओरिजिनल्स है जो नहीं डाला गया है अभी तक कहीं
अभी
बाहर?
तक नहीं डाला गया है।
कैसे कोई इतना कैसे हो सकता है? मतलब
I know.
people out there are churning out by the minute.
I know.
And you
और
know,
हम AI भी नहीं यूज कर रहे, बाय द वे, ये सब ओरिजिनली प्रोड्यूस्ड है बाय ह्यूमंस।
but what a beautiful track! Oh my God,
Thank
it's
you.
very well written. Let me pay my compliments to you, Ashwini. It's such a beautifully crafted moment of love, captured so nicely. And my God,
एंड आई
क्या कर रहे हो यार? मैंने ऐसा बैंड कहीं नहीं देखा है। क्योंकि हमने बना के रखा है, चिल है हम बहुत ऐसे हम।
बट
कर
मेरे ख्याल
लेंगे।
से आई थिंक वी विल यूज दिस लिटिल पुश दैट वी आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम यू एंड रेड एफएम कि यार इसको डाल ही देते हैं इसको।
It's such a beautiful track.
थैंक यू।
My
लाइक
God.
इट?
Oh, it's lovely. And I think unanimously in the comments, you should tell them to put out such a cute song. हमको Instagram की reels पे डाल दे दो हमें यार.
चलो लेट्स वेट फॉर द कमेंट्स टू कम। आई मीन वी विल स्टिल प्रोड्यूस एंड पुट
Of
इट, बट
course.
yeah,
But still, I want to understand as artists, you know, and because this is the sort of challenge that you face when you said, you know, you've put in a considerable number of years in your corporate job and then turned into the music. And the music game today, मतलब कोई भी 15 साल की उम्र में भी कोई viral हो रहा है आजकल.
correct.
Does that sort of put a certain unsaid pressure on the band?
Not really, because see, there is what I personally believe is that there's market for everybody. The music industry is huge enough for everybody to sustain. Most people are going sort of the social media way, so they are capitalizing and using that as a platform, whether it's YouTube or Instagram and stuff like that. We are primarily looking at performing at social events and music festivals. That also is a pretty big market, and we are, in some sense, sure about the work we are doing, and therefore there's no pressure. And I think जिस दिन हमने pressure ले लिया उस दिन problem शुरू हो जाएगी, because then the fun will go out of it. Right now there is fun. We enjoyed what we do, and I think that keeps us sane, keeps the anxiety down.
Yeah,
And
because it is a high pressure job
It is.
to do something like this. Creative fields are always one of the most pressured, high pressure fields to be working in. क्योंकि आपका खुद का confidence shake अगर हो जाए,
बिल्कुल.
तो everything goes for a toss.
And
then.
होता है कभी कभी, but you have to sort of bring it back. Also, the amount of travel you have to do, late night performances,
Agreed.
early morning flights, or so it can disrupt you at even at a physical stress
Physical
level.
level.
But ठीक है, I mean that's the fun part of it.
Because music has got no age, but musicians, you know, the artists
Yeah.
behind it are always looked like that, you know.
Yes.
So I want to know, have you ever faced that sort of a bias, you know? पहले तो gender bias होता था, क्या age bias, ageism जिसे कहते हैं, कभी experience किया है या subtle level में देखा है, या maybe someone has passed an offhand comment that guys, like, there are younger people out there who have stuff to say. What
Thankfully,
are you,
no.
Oh, wow.
As of now, तो अभी किसी ने
Wow.
nobody's taken an age dig, क्योंकि I think हम खुद ही जाके बोल देते हैं शायद. that we are-
At the onset, जैसे बोलते हैं. But I think what shuts up is when you throw out the tunes, man. I think that.
I think because what we do, our work speaks for us. Then it doesn't matter. And there is one thing that we very consciously took a decision that we want to add newer stuff to our audience. You know, one thing that hit me very hard was somebody said कि अब 2000 ईयर 2000 के गाने भी रेट्रो स्पेस में चले गए. इस 25 साल पुराना गाना है वो. तो सडनली यू थिंकिंग यार 80s इज नो लॉन्गर, 70s इज नॉट द रेट्रो, 2000 इज
2000
रेट्रो.
the retro.
So we said no, then we'll have to upgrade our set lists to bring in more from the 2000s and the younger age group. So because we are probably doing that, that age factor is not being yet detected.
No, but I think music coming from whoever, I think it's music that touches the soul of the
Yes.
people and makes you want to go and find the artist and
It's-
discover.
yeah.
And that's how we all taking pride, you know. जब भी हम एक दूसरे के साथ कोई गाना share करते हैं, like, have you heard them?
Yeah.
You know, who are they? Oh, अच्छा मुझे नहीं पता. Let me go and see.
And यही
And-
यही फायदा है, because if you're in touch with what's happening, but also be true to yourself, because there are a lot of times people get swayed कि यार ये हो रहा है तो हमें ये करना चाहिए.
Which is, I think, your advantage, being smarter and wiser. I think, because a lot of youngsters they don't know what they're doing.
I
They
think that's
come
where
out
the grey hair comes into play.
the experience.
That's
I
the
think that's
experience,
it. That's
yeah.
it. Because आजकल तो जवानी में लोगों के बाल सफेद हो रहे हैं, so that's got nothing to do with experience coming in into play over here.
I know. Is that true? A lot of youngsters are having grey hair because of the stress levels, or
I'm
what?
sure हार्ट अटैक हो रहा है तो बाल सफेद तो बहुत छोटी सी चीज है.
Yeah, it's unfortunate then. It's
I
unfortunate.
agree. चलिए, helmet off confessions है, since it's biking and music. So the segment is specifically called helmet
Helmet
off.
off,
The
yeah.
confessions that you have when you off the helmet. One song you secretly blast while riding or driving, but you won't admit to publicly.
शीला की जवानी.
Okay, a genre you enjoy that might surprise your fans.
A genre that will
You enjoy listening to, which might surprise your fans.
country music.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah. See, you're surprised.
Yeah, because it's like my father introduced me to it, and you know, he used to listen to these songs, and I grew up on them, and then I grew up and I understood how to appreciate it. You know,
Same here.
because when you're younger, you really don't understand what they're
Yeah.
trying to sell you.
Yeah.
It's later you realize that, oh my god, what they were trying to tell me was all amazing music.
They are real life stories and experiences.
Yes.
Fantastic music. Yeah.
Great storytelling, another way of
Yeah.
you know what people are
Yeah.
now trying to achieve.
Yeah.
They did it back then.
Yes.
So, worst song to accidentally play on a long ride?
Worst song. Oh, tricky. No, I haven't. All songs are good. I don't want to. I don't want to.
Maybe
put
Ashwini can help you कि कोई एक ऐसा गाना जो बजाया ना, everybody's like क्या बजा यार, you're killing the vibe यार.
As Ashwini says, "Ek Baar Aaja" by Himesh Reshamia.
HR, the great HR. We love you, HR.
Yes, of course we love you.
Okay, if your bike had a theme song, which track would it be?
Life is a Highway by Tom Crookane. I love that song. I mean, ever since it came out, I think it's a 90s song when that entire Channel V Music MTV was on, and I saw that video and I heard the song. I said, "Oh my, this is a anthem."
One song that perfectly matches cruising on an open highway.
I would again say Life is a Highway, but also there is a song by Fleetwood Mac called Everywhere. I don't know if a lot of people have heard it, but it's such a beautiful song. It's a total mood lifter for me.
Okay, Fleetwood Mac again, amazing. But I don't know if I know the song by this name. Maybe I know the tune, but I don't know.
I'm sure you've heard it. You may not know it by the name, yes.
Okay, a song for riding solo versus riding with a crew.
Solo, I think I'll probably listen to my own song because I want to maybe either improve it or think कि इसको release करें कि नहीं करें.
Oh, not bad. Wow,
Yeah.
that's
And with the crew, we've heard so many songs on our trips. So whether it's Backstreet Boys or AC/DC or Eagles or Dire Straits or even stuff like as he said, Himesh Reshamia.
nice. But Himesh has sort of had his own moment.
Oh,
under
yes,
the
of
sun,
course,
you know, and
of
he
course.
still is really
He's still rocking it.
shining
Yeah,
and
yeah,
rocking it. I
yeah.
believe. क्या ही तो कर दिया है उन्होंने. He's taken that whole meme culture and turned it into a great successful tour. Also,
That's called innovation.
for a politer, lack of a politer word or a better word, we'll call it innovation. But it has been fabulous having this moment to start my RMF interviews with you. You're
Thank
my first
you.
artist for the RMF 2026
Oh, lovely.
that I'm interviewing, and
Lovely.
it's just, I'm so excited.
Thank you.
And a brand new artist coming on the RMF stage. We've always taken a lot of pride
Yes.
in starting that kind of sort of relationship.
We are excited.
And we are super excited here at Red FM and the whole Delhi NCR to catch you on the RMF stage.
Thank
you
you.
so much. Finally, a message for all the Red FM listeners and the RMF tribe who'll be sharing for you guys live.
So everybody who's watching this, we are excited to play at RMF 2026 in February. If you want to listen to some amazing mashups, come. And if you have any suggestions for mashups, leave a comment and we'll try and make it for you, especially for you guys.
क्या बात है.